Hello there, nieces and nephews. Welcome back to my channel, Travels by Auntie Jennie. Today we are here at Summit One Vanderbilt in New York City. Now, it is highly recommended to purchase your tickets in advance, as some of the time slots gets filled, especially the most popular time slots between 3 p.m. and 7 p.m. Check out this opening video to introduce you to Summit One Vanderbilt.
When the city stops transforming, the city dies. We felt this was a building that had to be built to spark a revival.
We took the lead. One Vanderbilt was our opportunity to put our mark on the skyline.
Bring it in.
This was a building built by New Yorkers for New Yorkers. There was nothing that was going to stop us. One Vanderbilt will forever be ingrained in the fabric of New York City.
This building broke boundaries, redefining what is possible.
We want to create a space that will be unparalleled.
In a way, we'll look back on this period. And the building that will be most looked at and examined will be One Vanderbilt.
We are now riding up Ascent, which is the world's largest glass elevator, and it can carry up to 10,000 pounds. And let me tell you, it was smooth riding all the way to the top.
Welcome to Summit. Please start the journey to your right.
We are now entering the first exhibit, which is known as Air Transcendence 1. It is a mirrored room with big windows that reflect the city's skyline and the Empire State Building. Check it out. We are now entering the next exhibit room known as Reflect. Here on the floor, this is an art installation known as Cloud. And this room is meant to be a meditation room to help calm your senses. We are now entering the next exhibit room, which is known as Affinity, and is a continuation of the air installation from the first room. This room is actually an interactive room, which lets you play with the silver blobs that float in the air, and it actually brings out the inner child in you. I actually call them balls, but the description is silver blobs. Check it out. We're now heading up to the 92nd floor, which will lead us to Transcendence number 2, which is a continuation from the first exhibit room, Transcendence 1. Right here at this spot, we were able to look down to the 91st floor at Transcendence 1. We are now turning the corner into the next exhibit room, which is known as Levitation. This exhibit is where the room actually extends out to where the glass floor is perched 1,063 feet above the street level. A photographer actually takes your photos here when you're in the extended glass room. Check out my photos. We're now entering the next exhibit room, which is known as Unity, and it actually takes your photo and put your face among the clouds. Check it out. It's so embarrassing, but here's my photo in the clouds. We're now on the 93rd floor, and it's all about grabbing a bite to eat at the Apres Cafe. sliders and ginger ale that's in bottled water. Total came up to $31.53. Alright, so I'm going to try the pastrami sliders. Ooh, look at that. Smells good. There's pastrami, sauerkraut, and cheese. Last but not least is the Terrace section of this tour, and it gives you a panoramic view of the city skyline. So what do you think of Summit 1 Vanderbilt? Pretty cool, huh? I actually think it's a great way to see the city from high above. Thank you for watching. I hope my video was helpful enough for you to get an inside look on what to expect when touring Summit 1 Vanderbilt here in New York City. And if you really enjoyed this video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. You can also check out my Instagram and Facebook page. And as always, thank you for watching. This is Travels by Auntie Jennie. Have a great day.